morning, crafty friends. Today I wanted to share with you a project that I created for a swap. Now, the collection that I used, of course, is Graphic 45's Cafe Parisian. I used a 12 by 12 regular paper pad. I also used a 12 by 12 patterns and solids, as well as the chipboards. Okay, so let's get on into what I made. So my stacked love letters, I thought, well, since I'm using the Cafe Parisian and it's all about recipes and beautiful pastries, I thought I would make a recipe box. And so this way, her stacked love letters is functional even after the fact if she decides to use it that way, or she can just keep it as a decoration. So I did a lot of fussy cutting and I stacked them up with foam tape, and also I created a shaker window using the chipboards, and I do have a tutorial on this whole thing and how to make it, and so I hope you all enjoy that tutorial. I also added this little chipboard piece, and I wanted to really keep it blingy and put some bling on here using Swarovski crystals. So also here is the bottom. Let me see if I can flip this upside down. I put these little feet down at the bottom, and I don't remember if these are Graphic 45 or Prima, but I just wanted to share that with you. I thought they were really pretty, and they remind me of fruit. So I kind of thought that this went with the theme with the pineapple upside down cake. So right here, I decided to use the same pattern on all the sides, and I thought that worked really well with this. I did tape some of these pieces down with foam tape as well as washi. I'm going to pull this out real quick, okay, so you can kind of see what I did here. So with a piece of foam tape, I went ahead and attached one of the ephemera cards, and with a little foam tape and some washi tape, and she can take this out if she wants to, I wanted to keep this little pinwheel down. That's what I call it. I don't think that's really what it is, but that's what I call it. I stacked some die cuts that I made, and also another chipboard piece, and again another little Swarovski crystal. And let's go ahead and put this to the side and get on into the stacked love letters. I guess we'll just start from the beginning. So on my first page, I have a little Prima paper clip that says love on it, and then I love this ephemera card, enjoy little things, and then I stacked up another chipboard piece. Once you open it, inside there's a little key lime recipe for Archana. Archana Joshi is my partner. She owns Crafty City. And thank you so much for joining in this swap with us, Archana. I cannot wait to see yours, and I will be sharing that on here as well. So also we have another chipboard piece and another one that I popped up with some foam. This one I just directly glued it right on here, and with a little paper punch I decided to create these seals. The only one that doesn't have a seal is the original letter, so that way she can open the envelope. So let's put that to the side. On the next one, I made my own little paper clip, little designer piece. I didn't actually make the paper clip, but anyway, this little binder clip, and I just glued on one of the chipboard pieces, and I used E6000 for that. And then I just put this little note card on here. I just thought it looked really pretty, and it just kind of matched and blended in with this little envelope. I really love this paper. This one is my favorite with the lady on here. So let me just move on to the next one. I just decided to add a little piece of ephemera, just tucking them in throughout the project. Right here, I used this beautiful little feather that I purchased from Amazon. If you would like the link for that, let me know, and I'll go ahead and put it down. I did kind of pop that up with a little foam tape so that she could reuse this little piece what she wants to. I also, with another project that I did show you on, not with another project, same project, excuse me, I'm not making any sense. But I did show you how to make this cute little cherry. And again, I just popped up some chipboard right there. And then last but not least, I created a card for her as well. So anyway, thank you again so much for joining in with me, Archana. Thank you, Debbie, for hosting the swap. And I cannot wait to see what Archana has sent me. So I hope you'll have a wonderful and fabulous day, guys. The tutorial for this will be available right after this. Thanks, guys. I hope you will have a wonderful and fabulous day. Bye, y'all.